Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to knit this stitch. I thought this was brilliant. It's so easy. It's multiple of 3. So there's 3 purl, 3 knit, 3 purl, 3 knit. I don't know what happened to my phone. I think I pushed the... Okay, here we go. So 3 purl, 3 knit, 3 purl, 3 knit. So she did 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 3 is 21. So I'm going to be adding more stitches on the edges here because I just finished the scarf and it does curl up. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to be making purls more on this edges instead of this looks okay, but this is a bulky yarn, but the yarn that I'm going to use is going to be a 4-weight, so I just need to be cautious. Okay, this is one, let's say this is the right side of the work, and here is the wrong side of the work. I know it's really hard for you to see, but on the wrong side, all she did, it was purl stitch, like just knitted on the wrong side. So let's get started. You can knit anything with this stitch. I think it's nice. It's so easy, and I'm sure it's mindless. You don't have to count anything. You just she made a mistake here, as you can see. Yeah, that's okay. These are for the homeless. I know. I washed Red Heart. I don't know. I was telling you guys that it was very itchy. It's not soft at all. Even I washed it. Remember, I did a tutorial on this particular, and I showed this on my live stream. So no matter what you do, when it's crocheted, it's soft, not bad, but when it's knit, it's pretty tough. So even when I washed it, it's still not soft at all. So I don't think I could recommend this for scarves. So yeah, let's get started on this stitch. Just cast on multiple of 3, and if you're making a scarf or a blanket, I would add more stitches on the edges here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I cast on total of 25 stitches, so I'm just going to be adding 21, 23, 24, 25. So I will make this 26. So I will 2 more, and on the edge I will knit, instead of 3, I will knit 5, I guess. Okay, so on the, we're starting from the wrong side. For the wrong side, what we're going to do is we're just going to purl. That's all we're doing, and I don't knit my first stitch because it's a scarf. For baby blankets, for everything, I don't usually knit on the, it depends on the stitch though, that's another thing, right? So I'm just going to be knitting yarn on the front. So this is called purl. If you're a new beginner and you don't know the name of the stitches, sometimes I don't even know the name of the stitches, and I've been knitting for years, decades. Yeah, so this is how I knit. I knit Turkish style, or what's it called? Spanish, Espanol, Spain style. The tension is over on my neck. Just like this. Okay, so I'm going, the stitch needs to, the pattern starts from the from the front, which this is the front. This is how you know the tail should be on your left side. This is the right side. Okay, so I'm going to purl So I'm counting this one as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe. 3 extra. Okay, so what we're going to do is, like I said, it's 3 stitches knit, 3 stitches purl. This is another method you can knit. Just wanted to show you. So 1, 2, 3, and yarn on the front, purl, 2, 3, again 3 knit, 3 purl, 3 knit. So easy. And I have 5, so I'm going to purl those last 5 stitches. So wrong side is again purl. I'm not going to go over and show it to you. So easy. I wanted to share an easy stitch with you guys this time, because sometimes when you're watching a movie or you're watching something, you can't count. You know what I mean? You cannot. So this is the this was the wrong side of the work. The wrong side is facing on my right. So that's no, it's the wrong side. Cause I'll show it to you one more time. Cause I noticed I went to the dealer for the car to be serviced, and sometimes I took 2 projects with me. One was always count, 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 and the other one was mindless. So I worked on the mindless because it's really hard to focus when you're not home, when you're outside knitting. So this is one of these projects that you don't have to count anything. You just look what you are, and then you continue making what you had made on the previous row. So it's just a repeat after another. There's no how many rows, and then you can see the pattern coming. See how it is? It's fantastic. I think yeah, I saw this on the group that I'm in. Chill and Chase in Edmonton. We're donating hats, scarves, mittens, and so purl. So I'm counting this one as well. 5 purl for this project. But if I was making a baby blanket, I would definitely do the same setup. Oh, we had 5 here, right? It's supposed to be 6. Oh well. Okay. You know what? In these situations, we can make an increase. You know what I mean? Let me show you. Because I thought, yeah, because there's 5 here. Okay, I'll show it to you how to do that. But do it at the beginning. Well, this is the beginning, so nothing to worry about. So 3 knit, 3 purl, just like this. 3 knit, 3 purl, 3 knit. Okay, I'm going to make my increase right here. See? And it looks like a purl stitch. And then you just continue purling. And the wrong side is a purl as well. See how easy it is? Oh my goodness, it's so easy. And I think it looks nice. What do you guys think? Okay, so I found another knit stitch. Actually, I saw this on a sweater. And I wanted to share it with you guys, but I was looking for an easy way to make that stitch, and I found just today she posted. She must have saw the same. That's what usually happens for us knitters, crocheters. If we like something, we always try to find an easy way to make it. There's always different ways to make it, and different techniques, let's say it that way. So she showed it today, and I said, oh my goodness, why didn't I think about it? So sometimes you need someone else's opinion, someone else's method, and then you can go from there. But I looked at that stitch, and I was just trying to figure out how can I make this easier, right? And share it with you guys. So there's always easy way. And so I'm going to make a tutorial for that ASAP as soon as I finish this. And this tutorial, so I will be coming to show you that stitch. See how it looks? Oh my goodness. Okay, now we have 6 here. Can you see? Yeah. So I increased the one. So this is the right side again. The wrong side is always purl. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. The window's open due to hot. We haven't turned the air conditioning on, so and I'm not planning to because it's pretty nice. It's windy, but yeah, when you open the windows, you can feel the breeze. So and I live in a corner spot, so where I'm doing 3 knit. So I'm just looking at the below, and what I'm looking at, but that's what I'm doing. See how easy it is? So the corner lot, it's the traffic, people, we have a stop sign, and people drive like crazy. See, oh my goodness, I'm happy that I saw this scarf. I donated 16 scarves, so I'm planning to make 25 plus if I can. Yeah. Other than that, I'm trying to finish my whips, and again, 3 knit, 3 purl. And then the last 6 stitches is a purl. See, you can see the increase here, which is not affecting. So just wanted the 2 sides to be equal. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to knit a couple of rows, and I will show you how it looks like so far, just to give you an idea. I know I showed you a picture just to have you look at it, but I think this is brilliant. See how it looks? This is all purl. The wrong side is purl. The right side is. So I'll just knit a couple of rows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have knitted a couple of rows, and this is how it looks like. I think it's nice. What do you guys think? It's so easy, like I said, and it looks elegant. It looks nice for a scarf. And this is the wrong side of the work because of the knit stitch. It's giving you that 3D look. So I hope you liked this short tutorial. I just wanted to share you the stitch, and I think it's brilliant to make something like this. And this is what I'm always looking for, an easy way to create something one of a kind and unique. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time every time I post a new video, you will be notified. Another tip, if you're making a scarf, try to make something 4 feet and over, like 120 centimeter and over, longer for an average scarf for an adult. So 120 is about this centimeter, and just over 47 inches long. So that's about 4 feet or 4 foot, whichever you want to call that. So that's the shortest minimum length. If you make it longer, that would be great. Just wanted to give you this tip. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Happy knitting!